nyaka giko. Jatend migao mar somo Julius Migos oyango ni chenro makare oseketi maneno jopuonjre duto matimo penj otimo gi lwasi mowinjore kendo mokwe. Kano loso bang'e yawo kontena mar penj kar chieng' bura ma Westlands, Migos wacho ni jopuonjre manie gwenge matulo osebedoe biro timo penj e kembe mag apisas mag obila kendo ng'ata ng'ata biro loro ne oko. Jagoro maduong' mar somo Belo Kipsang kano cholo chenro makamane gwenge mag Lang'ata bende bura ma Nairobi wacho ni jopuonjre milion 1.3 ne ondikore ne penj go.
Our colleagues from the security sector, if you see, we are just assigning them a car so that it is for the transportation. But at the school level, it will only be teachers. But to secure the papers as they move from here to the school, we are assigning 2 policemen to every vehicle, purely for security. Where the last place where they'll drop the papers is where the policeman will wait. And then when they are going to pick the papers in the evening again, then they will come back the same way. So we shall not have anybody this time round in terms of our security colleagues being in a classroom for KPSEA. It will purely be the teacher and the pupils. So this is an assessment. Yeah, an assessment is not, you don't get a certificate at the end. You get a report. So even this one, a child will get a report on their progress. The school will get a report on the progress of the totality of the school. And then we have a national report, which now we come and subject our discussions and evaluation, and therefore support us in improving on policy, on checking on teacher capacity building, sometimes even doing review of instructional materials. So there will be no certificate.